Let's see how to export Strubim Steel modern information to manufacturing files in DSTV format. To do this, from the program's general interface, we'll use the Export option at the top left and select DSTV. The DSTV file format is an industry standard defined by the German Steel Construction Association, Deutscher Stahlbauverband. After clicking on the option, the program allows us to select a directory to host the files. When clicking Accept, the selected directory is opened in the operating system web browser, and the set of exported files is displayed. Additionally, when we share information with BIM Server Center, we can configure the generation of these files by checking the corresponding box to add them to the contribution that will be created in the project folder in the cloud.